Welcome back to another video. Today is kind of a last minute trip, as in I signed up last night to do a SCCA Tracknight of America event at Nashville Superspeedway. So I'm back. What, the fifth time I've been here this year? So I should know the track pretty well. And I bought the FRS again. So a few people have been missing it. I've been driving fit a lot lately. So I bought it because I need to do some shakedown on it before pit race, which is not this coming weekend, but the weekend after. I'll be at Pittsburgh with Gridlife. Really the only thing that's changed since my last event here with it is the secondary fuel pump. So this is going to be its test for it. And I got a new bucket seat. So I'm not sliding around. Not that the factory seat was that bad. They're actually pretty nice for factory, but this should be a little better. Nothing special, just a used Cobra. Today's goal, I'm not sure if I can make it or not, but my last BP was 111.9, I believe. So I gotta get there or close, which I'm not sure if I can because I'm not running 485 today. I'll explain that later. I bought some, but it's complicated. Having some issues. Okay, I'm done for the day. This was a short event. I want to get 3 sessions. So I got 3 chances and I beat my BP quite a bit. My old BP was 1.11.9. I dipped down to the 111s probably about 10, 11 times. So I was consistently beating my BP. But my lowest, my current best is a 110.6. Now I'm in the 110s. And that was on 93. I wasn't on 85 in this event because my fuel gauge was like stuck with active wheel. I thought the car was low on gas, so I went and put gas in it, with E85 in it, but it only took like 2.5 gallons. So I had like 2.5 gallons of E85, and the rest is 93. And yeah. Also, another good news is I didn't have fuel starvation as bad as I used to since I added the second daily fuel pump. But the downside is I don't know how much fuel is left in the car when it started doing it. I think it's definitely under half a tank because I added about 6 gallons back into it when I finished, but I'm not sure how much is left. But definitely under half a tank, which is an improvement. And apparently we have tornado warnings, so I'm gonna go home.